Alright guys, today we'll be doing a video on reviewing the rooms. I know some of you don't have the time to get the kills or the spare wins, so let's begin. Stick. Don't move. Say on stick. No! In public chat. Okay. So in the first room, we have the MP5 A5. It's a submachine gun. A damage, low freeze. You also get a hat, but it doesn't protect from gas, so it's basically just for looks. Here's the MP5, comes with knife. Jump ability doesn't help too much. So yeah, that's what's inside the first. Alright guys, so the second room is a 22,500K spare one room, so let's go inside. In this room we have a M4A3. It's a semi-rifle. There's 8 damage, so yep, it comes with the pistol. You can switch hands left, right, helps you like get an angle of your opponent. It's really helpful. So yeah. Alright, what's inside the 15K spare one room? Let's go inside. So in this room we have the Vector. You have 4 skins. The original one. I have the pink one. I'm gonna try them all so y'all can see. They're just for looks. It doesn't make a difference if you spare with one. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite one. To be honest, this one's my least favorite one. It's just my opinion, so don't get offended. In this room we have the diamond and the dispenser ones. Let's try this one. It's so sexy, right? And the diamond pink one. This pink one with dispenser. It's the only one that has a case. The dispenser ones have the double laser. With the case you can't move, so it's basically useless. Let's try this one. So yeah, that's what's inside the Vector room. So let's see what's inside the third room. 100K PK kills. Okay, let's go inside. In this room we have the P2K. They're very powerful. They can duel, single, it's faster, duel. We have the skins. I like the original one better because it has a flip animation. So let's try the skins. Pink skin. This one is the same, it's just a color skin. So yeah, that's what's inside the third room. So in the last room you'll see a PSG. It's a sniper. There's a blue skin, gold skin, black skin. It's 80k, deals 11 damage, clip size 9. You can prone with it. pretty sweet. Can shoot through walls. So yeah, that's what's inside the last room. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. I'll be doing a second video if this video gets 10 likes for the gold skins. So, and leave any suggestions down below for any upcoming videos y'all want. So thank you, I appreciate it.